Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to check out two super useful tools in MatrixGold that make designing curved and complex jewelry a lot easier. So let's jump right in. Alright, in this part I'm going to show you how to use Orient on Surface. Basically, this tool helps you place any object right on top of a curved surface. Like when you want your design or a stone setting to perfectly follow the shape of a ring or a dome, all you have to do is pick the object, then click on the surface you want, and boom, it snaps right into place. Matching the surface perfectly. It's super handy for working with curved jewelry pieces. Next up, let's check out Orient Perpendicular to Curve. This one's really useful when you want to move an object along a curve, but make sure it stays perfectly straight, or perpendicular, to that path. So for example, if you're placing several stones along a curved line, this keeps each one facing the right direction as they follow the curve. It saves a ton of time and keeps everything nice and aligned.